friends, it's your Mitzi Lighting Stylist here, LaDonna, and today I'll be showing you how to install wall sconces in your bathroom. Wall sconces provide elegant task lighting, perfect for achieving your everyday glow. For this project, you will need your new Mitzi light fixture. We're installing the Zanny wall sconce, assembly instructions, voltage detector, screwdriver, box cutter, wire connectors. We are using the character light fixture kit to make this installation safe and easy. Safety first. Before you begin, make sure the power is turned completely off at the source. Go to your electrical panel or breaker and switch it off. You can check that there is no power running to the fixture by flipping the fixture switch on and off. Using your screwdriver, loosen the hardware holding your fixture in place to expose 3 colored wires. Use the voltage detector to triple check that there is no electrical current running to the fixture. Finally, disconnect the wires and say goodbye. You're on your way to beautiful lighting. Attach the mounting bracket that came with your new fixture. We recommend bathroom sconces be 60 to 65 inches from the floor to the middle of the backplate on your new fixture. Now, connect each wire with its matching color. Secure each connection with a wire connector. Place the body of your fixture onto the mounting plate and secure with set screws. Lastly, screw in the light bulbs. Be sure to use bulbs that are appropriate wattage for the fixture. You can find that information in the assembly instructions. And that's it. Turn the power back on, flip the switch, and enjoy your new glow. Show us your new Mitzi piece by tagging us at MyMitzi. We'd love to see it. Be sure to check out the rest of our How to Hang series featuring several other of our favorite Mitzi fixtures.